Hello there, this is Farhana and welcome back to my channel. This is Microsoft Power Automate Tutorials. This is Module 3 and today I will show you how to sign up and sign in for Microsoft Power Automate. First of all, we'll see how to sign up on signing for Microsoft Power Automate. It is very simple process to sign up and signing into Microsoft Power Automate. Starting with Power Automate as an individual is very easy. If you have ever used Microsoft products, online products, you can use the same email address to log in into the Microsoft.com. If you have not used any online Microsoft products, you need to take a few moments to register it. Let me switch to Google Chrome. Please use the URL Microsoft.com. If you see all here on my URL that have given already flow.microsoft.com, let's click on enter. Once you have entered flow.microsoft.com, it will lead to home page. This is not the English base, but it will automatically relate to the page which you have already logged in. Now there are two options you will find it. One is signing in, sign up for free if you have not used any other online Microsoft products. First of all, you need to sign up here. If you see here, you will find sign up for free. Okay, what is the requirement to sign up for free? You need valid email address. Okay, nothing, but for an example, you may have live.com, or you may have gmail.com, or else you may have yahoo.com. Okay, but if you are using any common or any gender email IDs except the corporate email IDs, you will have the limited access for the Microsoft Power Automate. If you're using any corporate, then you will have corporate or, work-related email IDs. Let's assume if you are working in Accenture, then, you will have an account of Accenture.com if you're working for the Microsoft. Then you will log in with Microsoft.com. Let me show you that. First click on the sign up for free. Once you have clicked on sign up for free, you will get, this kind of pop-up, or here or the tab you will find it. Please provide what are the email ID that you have. So I'm just giving some email IDs, which already I'm having. Once you are going to give in this email ID and just click on the arrow board that is on the right hand side. So once you have entered a personal email ID. If you use a work or, school email instead, you will be able to use Premier connectors and organization features. This is very new. I'm using right now my personal email ID, so that if you have any corporate email ID or the work email ID or the school email ID, you'll able to use, premium connectors and automation features. But right now I'm using the same thing to show you how to sign up. I'm continuing with this email ID. You will get a screen like, sign in, so you'll find that Microsoft account doesn't exist. Enter the different account or get a new one. Okay, so if I want to create a new one on this thing, correct. I will go for the create one, click on that, and you will find that it is trying to create an account in Microsoft. Looks like you don't have an account with us. We'll create one for you using this email ID. Click on next, and it will ask you create a password. Okay, what are the password? If you want to give it, you can give the password, and it will ask you to give what's your name. I'm just giving my name, and then I'm giving my last name, and then I'm going to click on next. I'm just giving my details. I'm just giving the sample details all here, and then click on next. Once you click on next, you will get a verify email address. So what are the email ID you have provided? You will get a security code to that email. That's why you have to provide a valid email address. I already got it, my security code to my email ID. I'm just clicking on, I'm just forwarding the security code, and then I'm going to agreeing. I would like to inform on tips about the Microsoft Product Center research. If you don't record, you can uncheck it, and then I'm going to click on next. So it will start creating an account for you. It will ask you to enter the characters. Please forward the characters or what would you have on your screen. And then click on next. It will take a little bit time to, create an account in the Microsoft. So you will find this kind of details once you have, sign up successfully, that you can see on the screen like that. Your details. And if you wanted even profile, you can go ahead, and you can add it profile picture. And if you have any subscriptions, you will get a free subscriptions over here. Try Office for free for this thing on the family devices. Payment and billing, these are the options which it is going to be providing. Sign up has been successfully completed. Now we want to sign in, so what is the URL? Microsoft.com I'm going to provide. Now, if you see what here did the option sign in, what are the email ID that have given? When you click on the sign in, it will ask the details of the username and the password which you have given. Once you click on signing, you will get to know a page like this, a pop-up window like this, and how to provide your email ID which you have given previously while signing up. Okay, I'm giving the same email ID which I have given and then click on next. So you are already in the session. Normally if you're not in the session, then it will ask the username and the password, but if you have already in the session, then it will goes directly to the Microsoft.com. Now it will take to welcome to Power Automate and choose your country for the region, and selecting the region which I'm selecting the country region, and then I'll say get start once when you sign in into Microsoft Power Automate. You will find these menu on your left hand side. One is Home Action Items, My Flows, Create Templates, Connectors, Data, below. But what is the difference for, individual or the personal email ID and corporate or work email ID? So when you expand the action items, you will find approvals and business process, correct? Let me click on the approvals. If you click on the profiles, you will find it out premium account required. You can't get it all the features for the personal email ID. So for the premier account, what you need to get it, what card school email ID, or by creating a new ordination email ID, you will find it. You will get it all these features which we are having. Okay, click on OK, and this kind of features, a lot of features, you won't get it when you have, personal email ID. That's the reason no better to log in with your corporate email or working email ID. So on the left hand side, you will find action items. Under action items, you will find approvals and business process flows. What is the purpose of these things? Action items, where you can manage approvals and business process flows by using action items. So next one, My Flows. So this is the flows where you will reside. You will have more than 200 templates. You will find it out here. And also what are the templates you have been created by using Create Template? You will find all these templates over here which you have been created as part of Create Template. Let's say assume if I'm going to work with Twitter, I will just provide Twitter over here, and then click on enter in the search that you will find all the related Twitter related templates over here. You can see there's hundreds of templates are available for each and everything. Next one, connectors formerly called US services. These are all the services which are providing by the Microsoft. You can see Office OneDrive for Business Office, this is for you, the SharePoint and all these things, and also you can connect to the external service. Okay, so where you can connect from one service to another service, so you're going to use the connectors, data having entities connections, custom connectors, gateways. This way you can access entities connections, custom connectors and gateways by using this data. Another one, builders. If you expand that, you will have built-in modules where you are having related entities. If you have to learn anything from the Microsoft Power Automate, you can go ahead, and you can learn it from the Microsoft documents. And if you see on the topmost when I'm clicking on the My User Details, you will find all the details on the enrollments, also what kind of enrollment that you have with the normal, with the personal email ID. You will find default enrollment whenever you will get it. I'll show you what are the runs when you have created this flows that you will find it out. Okay, and you can see the flows, connections, custom connectors, and also settings that you'll find it all these things. Okay, and after that, you will see a bell icon out here. When you click on that, if you have any notification, you will get it automatically. And if you see that, the smile symbol, if you want to put any feedback, that you can put feedback to the Microsoft, that, what are the feedback that you have that you can provide it, and click on submit. In the next module, we will learn how to create a flow using Microsoft Power Automate. If you have any queries related to this concept, please write in the comments. Thank you for watching.